was the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse, except me, baking cookies for Santa. If you also want to make Santa happy, let me show you how to get from this chocolatey mixture to these incredible delicious chocolate crinkle cookies stuffed with Nutella. Let's get started with the batter. Add 120 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar, and mix well the butter with the sugar. Over the mix, break 4 eggs and mix again with the mixer. When the composition has turned white and fluffy, we stop from mixing and continue by adding vanilla essence. Time for dry ingredients. We add 300 grams of flour in a sieve together with 10 grams of baking powder and sift well over the composition. After that, sift over the composition 60 grams of powdered cocoa. Combine all ingredients gently with a spatula. After partially incorporating the flour and the cocoa, continue with the mixer. Start with the lower speed of the mixer and continue increasing the speed. After we have a smooth composition, we stop from mixing and let the composition fall from the pedals, just like this. The mix is ready. For the perfect handling, cover it with plastic foil and put it in the fridge overnight for at least 2 hours. If you like our chocolate crinkle cookies until now, don't forget to subscribe to Sublissimo. Also, check the links in the comments for more inspiration. Let's continue with the chocolate filling. Put 100 grams of Nutella in a piping bag. Cut the tip and with a spatula, push all Nutella in the front for an easy handling. From this batch of Nutella filling, we will fill several chocolate cookies. The rest will stay in the freezer until the next batch of cookies. Put them in the freezer for 30 minutes or till are very well set. Now let's prepare the cookies. Remove the cookie mixture from the refrigerator and the Nutella filling from the freezer. To prepare the cookies, rub your hands with oil. In this way the chocolate will not stick to your hands. With a spoon, take a bit of composition and form balls with your hands just like I'm doing now. Then, with your finger, make a hole in the center of the ball to fill it with frozen Nutella. Cover the filling and spin one more time and put the ball in powdered sugar. I use a large plate where I can cover 4 balls with sugar at the same time. Let's play a little. Move the plate and the balls will cover with powdered sugar. How beautiful is that? The powdered sugar will create the unique design. When they expand in the oven, the sugar will make the specific crinkle effect, so no additional decoration is needed. When all are covered with sugar, we put them in a tray covered with a baking paper. 12 cookies fit in my oven. The spacing between cookies is very important as they will expand a lot when baking. Place the tray in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes using the ventilation function. In the oven, crinkle cookies work their baking magic by popping and cracking on the outside. The powdered sugar cracks look super cool. Plus, they have that wonderful mix of crunchy and soft effect. Just perfect. We let them cool in the tray for a few minutes and then, of course, we can take a cookie after that. They are super soft with melted chocolate in the middle. And the taste is incredible. I cannot stop eating them. I'm sure that this will be Santa's favorite cookies. With a hot chocolate on the side, an absolutely amazing treat. I'd love to know how your cookies turned out. So drop me a comment below with your results. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and culinary inspiration. Thank you for joining us today on this delicious journey. Until next time, happy baking!